Welcome guys. If you want to get this cool iOS launcher on your XIAOMI Mi 9 Lite, right now I'm going to show you how to download and install. So let's start from the install this application. So let's tap on the delete. Okay, and there's the stock launcher from the XIAOMI. And right now let's move to the Play Store, tap on the search, click on the iOS launcher, type iOS launcher, and get this application, the launcher iOS 13 with Lite developer. Click on the install, and right now just wait a little bit. Let's open. Click on the allow, and right now let's go back to our main screen with the home button. And right now we have to select a home application, and of course tap on the remember my choice and go for the iOS launcher 13. Tap on the we got it, and as you can see our launcher has changed, and it's really easy. So right now we can add this camera to our home button like that, and also as you can see this notification bar doesn't look like from iPhone, but let's go for the launcher once again. Tap on the control center, close this ad, and as you can see it's turned on. So let's go back, use this marker, and we also have the control center from the iPhone. So thank you guys for watching. I hope that I'll help you. If I do, leave thumbs ups, comments, and of course subscribe to our channel.